I don't get is that a squirrel? Oh, it's a squirrel. You only get one shot to make a mistake with this drone, and then that's it. And then there is no reset button. So if you're not comfortable flying in manual, I would totally advise you not doing it, no matter what anybody says. I've been flying for roughly about 7 months, and I was flying with a drone that I can easily repair. I've spent a lot of money to sort of get to this point, and I still feel that I suck. And there's people that are just crushing it doing this daily. So you just got to sort of keep practicing, but this is definitely a good entryway into this. I'm not telling you to run out and buy this. I would love to see people buy, you know, something that is a little bit more repairable, but still, if you want to buy it, I mean, nobody's going to stop you. I can't say that I hate the drone. It is fun for what it is. I just wish that they put out air units for people who want to build their shit. But all right, that's going to do it for this video. I'll catch you guys later. See you later. Just stay original.